January 13, 2012, a luxury cruise ship carrying over 4,200 passengers strikes rocks off the coast of Italy. Within hours, the Costa Concordia, a vessel the size of 3 football fields, tilts dangerously and partially sinks. How could this happen? And what would it take to remove a 114,000-ton ship from the bottom of the sea? This is the story of one of the most ambitious and complex salvage operations in history. It was a calm evening when the Costa Concordia set sail from Civitavecchia, Italy, on a routine Mediterranean cruise. But at 9:45 p.m., disaster struck. Captain Francesco Schettino ordered a close pass near the island of Giglio, a salute to honor the locals. Uncharted rocks tore a massive hole in the hull, flooding the engine rooms and knocking out power. Within an hour, the ship was leaning at a terrifying 70-degree angle. Passengers scrambled for lifeboats in chaos, while many jumped into the freezing water to survive. By the next morning, the Costa Concordia lay on its side, half submerged, a haunting monument to a tragic night. When the sun rose on January 14, 2012, the world got its first glimpse of the Costa Concordia's wreck. The ship, over 950 feet long and weighing 114,000 tons, rested precariously on an underwater ledge near Giglio Island. The scale of the disaster was unprecedented. Salvaging this massive vessel was not just a question of engineering, it was a race against time. Environmentalists feared a catastrophic oil spill, and the ship's precarious position meant it could slide into deeper waters at any moment. Salvaging the Costa Concordia would be a challenge unlike any other. Early estimates suggested it would take months, but experts soon realized the scale of the task. Titan Salvage and Micoperi, 2 of the world's leading marine engineering companies, were hired to tackle the job. Their plan? The ship would be refloated, stabilized, and towed to a port, a process requiring unprecedented precision and innovation. Dubbed the Par-Buckling Project, it would be the largest and most complex salvage operation ever attempted. Before the Costa Concordia could be rotated upright, it needed to be stabilized. Engineers worked tirelessly to anchor the wreck to the seabed, preventing it from sliding into deeper waters. Massive cables and steel platforms were installed beneath the ship, while airbags were inflated to provide additional buoyancy. The operation required millimeter-perfect precision. A single miscalculation could cause the entire ship to collapse, bringing the salvage operation to a catastrophic halt. September 16, 2013, the world watched as the Costa Concordia was finally rotated upright. Using a process called par-buckling, engineers slowly rolled the ship onto massive steel platforms installed on the seabed. Hydraulic pulleys, powerful enough to lift skyscrapers, pulled the ship inch by inch. Every movement was monitored in real time, as even the smallest error could jeopardize the entire operation. After 19 hours of painstaking effort, the Costa Concordia stood upright for the first time in nearly 2 years, a triumph of engineering and teamwork. With the ship upright, the next step was even more ambitious, refloating the Costa Concordia. Engineers installed 30 massive flotation tanks, called sponsons, on both sides of the ship. These tanks, each weighing hundreds of tons, were designed to pump air and provide enough buoyancy to lift the 114,000-ton vessel off the seabed. The process was slow and methodical, requiring extraordinary precision to ensure the ship remained stable. Over several weeks, inch by inch, the Costa Concordia rose from the depths, a sight that left onlookers in awe. After 2.5 years of preparation, the Costa Concordia was ready to leave Giglio Island. In July 2014, the ship began its final journey, towed by powerful tugboats toward the port of Genoa, where it would be dismantled and recycled. The operation spanned 200 nautical miles and took 4 days to complete. Every detail was meticulously planned to ensure the ship's stability and safety. As the convoy moved slowly through the Mediterranean, it marked the end of an era for Giglio Island and the beginning of the Costa Concordia's final chapter. The Costa Concordia's arrival in Genoa marked the beginning of one of the largest recycling projects in maritime history. Over the next 2 years, the ship was systematically dismantled, with thousands of tons of steel, machinery, and other materials being salvaged and repurposed. The process was as delicate as it was massive. Engineers carefully deconstructed the ship, ensuring that no materials polluted the environment. By 2017, the Costa Concordia was gone, its pieces scattered but its story immortalized. Throughout the operation, protecting the environment was a top priority. The Costa Concordia contained thousands of gallons of fuel, as well as hazardous materials like paint and chemicals. Salvage teams worked tirelessly to remove pollutants, deploy containment barriers, and ensure the pristine waters around Giglio Island remained unspoiled. Despite the scale of the operation, it was hailed as a success for environmental conservation, leaving the Mediterranean waters as clean as they were before the disaster. The Costa Concordia disaster and its salvage operation offered valuable lessons to the maritime industry. From improving safety protocols to understanding how to manage large-scale environmental crises, the event reshaped how modern ships are built, operated, and salvaged. Engineers, policymakers, and environmentalists continue to study the operation, ensuring that future maritime disasters are handled with even greater precision and care. Beyond the engineering marvel of the salvage operation lies a deeper story of human loss. The Costa Concordia disaster claimed 32 lives, leaving families and communities devastated. Memorials have been erected to honor those who perished, ensuring their stories are never forgotten. Survivors continue to share their experiences, reminding the world of the human cost of negligence and the importance of accountability. The Costa Concordia salvage operation was a feat of engineering, teamwork, and determination. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity and resilience in the face of disaster. Though the ship is gone, its story endures, as a cautionary tale, a lesson in perseverance, and a symbol of what we can achieve when we work together to overcome the impossible.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel.